What is this video all about? Let's have a preview. Add a contact form. We will discuss how to create a customized form in this video. Do watch the video till end to get all the insights. Install plugin WP Forms. Under your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins and search for Forms. Install the Contact Form by WP Forms plugin. Once installed, activate the plugin. Create a custom contact form. The installed plugin provides many features. Some of them are available in the Pro version only. Click on Create Your First Form button. Enter your form name and select a template of your choice. Now, as shown, there are some fields added by default. Either you can edit those fields or add new if you want, as multiple field options are available here. You can also drag items to reorder your fields. Now, let's edit our form as per our need. Once done, save the changes. You can also customize the notification or confirmation message as per your need. Embed form in your site page. Click on Embed button. It will display a shortcode. Copy that code and close the dialog box. Go to your contact page. Click on plus button. Either search for shortcode and enter your code, or search for WP form and select your form. Once you are done, update the changes made. Go to your site's contact page and check the form. Now let's test it by entering the details. Let's check the email now. We have got the email with the message, but along with the warning. Fix email warning. Go to your WP form. Remove the ID from your form name and email subject. Now, to fix the warning, change your from email to WordPress@yoursite.com. Here you have to replace your site along with your domain name. Now, save the changes. Refresh your site and test the form again. Go to email and check now, and the warning is removed. The warning was displayed because the from email and the to email had the same email IDs. Another way of inserting form. Similar way, you can create other forms as well. Just to show you a demo, I have created a suggestion form this time. Go to your page and at the top you will have an option to add form. It will show you a list of forms created. Select your form and click on add form. Once done, click on update and check your page. Our form is added successfully. Now let's test it. And it is working like a charm. That's it for this video. I hope you find this custom form plugin tutorial useful and interesting. Which plugin do you prefer for creating your forms? Let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much. Have a great day.